Hi guys.
Here, do your intro, do your intro.
Hey guys, so welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today we are going to be doing some wrapping of the Christmas gifts because we have to get that done. Christmas is in like a week and a half. Not even, it's in a week now. But Vader's in my tripod box. Yeah. So we're going to start wrapping some gifts. My family's not allowed to watch this video or they'll spoil Christmas. So, yeah. Oh, okay.
Vader just walked in front of the camera.
This is for your dad. These are the presents for me that I'm not supposed to know about. Okay, we're back with hopefully a slightly better angle. I'm going to move you down so you guys can see me wrap. Great, this might work better.
So I'm trying to get this going.
Let's
It'll take a while.
grab the gift and let's see how many times I lose my scissors tonight. Alright.
Because they have the
Vader's gonna walk on my
they've
gifts
got the
30
alternator
times.
and the R99. And they should add in the G2A 5, the semi-auto precision pistol. The G2A 5, the semi-auto precision.
So, I like to have a lot of fun when I try to wrap gifts. I try to make them look as cute as possible. I just find a lot of joy in making the gifts look cute, even though people are just going to rip them open. But, I don't know, I like a lot of ribbon and bows and stuff. So, I actually went a little bit simpler this year. Usually I like get the actual nice ribbon with the wire and I make really pretty bows, but I just bought some pre-made bows. It was a little bit easier. But I also got this fun ribbon that like curls when you do this scissor thing to it. But I just wrap them around pretty simply. Boxes are super easy to wrap. All you really have to do is, you know, wrap it around and then you do the corner thing. But you can make them look super cute, super easily. And, yeah. I just bought this pack of wrapping paper from Target and it all kind of just goes together and I try to get similar colors, so silvers, reds, blacks, whites, and it kind of just gives all your gifts a nice little cohesive look. Again, I just try to cut enough ribbon to go around the package in this little square fashion. And of course, if you have a cat, they have to get into everything and get in the way because that's what cats do. Taking him away. And there he is again. And then I buy some cute tags just so you can write to and from on it, obviously. But here's what I'm talking about with the scissors. This is one of those curling ribbons that like when you run scissors along it, it curls, which is pretty cool. Just adds a little something else. And then sometimes you get weird shaped things that don't really fit in a box, don't really fit right when you try to wrap it. So I got this kind of like tube shaped gift. I'm cinching the edges basically and I'm wrapping ribbon around to kind of make it look like a candy. And then I can curl that ribbon with my scissors and you just kind of have a cute little candy-shaped gift. And then of course you have gift bags because sometimes things just don't fit right in boxes and gift bags just work a little bit better. But you can really dress this up by just bunching some tissue paper in, making it look cute. Again, I got the matching tissue paper. My bags are from last year so they don't quite match, but that's okay. And then you can also go ahead and make like little envelopes to fit your thinner gifts in. You can just literally make an envelope out of wrapping paper. It's pretty easy. You just kind of close up the edge and then there you go. But yeah, that's just how I wrap gifts. I hope you guys enjoyed getting some ideas. Hey guys! So we are officially done wrapping presents. Feels good. I have 2 more gifts I have to wrap still because I have to finish making them. But yeah, that is all the gifts for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. About to go watch Masked Singer with Kevin. It's the finale, so that's awesome. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever day it is of Vlogmas. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.